Cadillac Ranch is a public art installation just west of Amarillo, Texas. 10 vintage Cadillacs, models from 1949 to 1963, buried nose first in the ground, at the same angle as the pyramids of Giza. It was created in 1974 by the art collective Ant Farm and funded by eccentric local millionaire Stanley Marsh III. The cars sit in an open field along the I-40 frontage road, and visitors are encouraged to spray paint the cars, making the artwork a constantly changing graffiti canvas. Right at the entrance, there's usually a small vendor truck selling spray cans so visitors can add their own artwork. This detail isn't part of the official installation, but it's a well-known on-site convenience for travelers stopping to paint the cars. Location: accessible through a short dirt path from the parking area. Getting to Cadillac Ranch from I-40 can be a bit tricky, especially when you're heading eastbound. The turnoff comes up fast, so it helps to keep an eye on your Google Maps pin rather than relying on road signs alone. Once you spot the landmark on your GPS, you'll swing onto the frontage road and follow a short dirt path to the cars. This stop was part of my long road trip from Orlando, Florida, to Glacier National Park, and it added that perfect touch of Americana to the journey, a moment where the open road meets pure creative freedom. If this video caught your eye, go ahead and subscribe. I share unusual and unforgettable places just like this.